A tasty snack recipe with a twist is always interesting. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today I am going to make cheese cutlet. Hope you will enjoy it. Ingredients of red sauce. So here we are using 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, red chili as per your own taste, then olive oil, then we have heavy cream, then red capsicum and mixed herbs. Red sauce preparation. So in this we have used olive oil and we have added garlic to it. So we are going to saute it. Now we are going to add red capsicum. We are adding red chili to it, and we are also using heavy cream. So 1 teaspoon of cream. Now we are going to mix it. We are adding half teaspoon of salt to it. Ingredients for yellow sauce. So here we are using 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, turmeric powder as per your own taste, olive oil, heavy cream, then we have capsicum, yellow capsicum, mustard sauce and mixed herbs. Now after roasting for some time, we are going to add capsicum, that is yellow capsicum, into it. We are also adding 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of heavy cream, and we are also adding some mixed herbs to it. We are also using mustard sauce. Add salt as per your own taste. Now we are making the red sauce. For that we have used the mixture that we put in the pan, and we are using some vinegar, honey and water. Now we are going to blend it. Now we are going to make yellow sauce. In this we have used the yellow capsicum mixture and vinegar and honey. Now final ingredients for cutlet. So here we are using yellow sauce, red sauce, mint, 2 boiled potatoes, black pepper, salt to taste. Then we are using cheese, mozzarella cubes, mozzarella crushed cheese and breadcrumbs. And also we are using some yellow and red pepper. So now we have mixed the mixture for the cutlet, and now we are going to make cutlet. So now we have prepared the cutlets, and in this we have used some mozzarella cheese also, and we have coated it finally with the rust crumbs. You can also use toasted semolina instead of it, semolina or suji. Now we are going to fry it. Now we are going to shallow fry some mint leaves and curry leaves. Now we have added the cutlets and we have used medium flame. The flavor of mint and curry leaves will infuse in the oil, and it finally goes to the cutlet, and it is the twist of taste. Food for thought. Tasty food and eye-appealing colors of veggies bring a new vigor to life. If you like this, please like, subscribe, comment.